Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3, Kingdom Classification. So, according to the syllabus, first we will start with chapter number 3, and after this, we'll do chapter number 2. So, what is classification? The scientific way of identifying, naming, and grouping of living organisms is known as classification. R.H. Whittaker in 1969 proposed a 5-kingdom classification. In this system, organisms can be classified into 5 kingdoms, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. So, in this chapter, we will mainly learn about kingdom Animalia. Animal kingdom is divided into 2 groups, that is vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates means animals with backbone, and invertebrates means animals without backbone. Invertebrates are divided into major phylum, that is Porifera, Cnidaria, Platyhelminthes, Nematoda, Annelida, Mollusca, Arthropoda, and Echinodermata. Whereas vertebrates are broadly grouped into 5 main classes, that is fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. So in this video, we will first learn about invertebrates. So invertebrates can be found on land and in water bodies, such as ponds, rivers, streams, and oceans. So the first one is Phylum Porifera. They are mostly found in seawater. However, a few also found in fresh water. The animals have a large number of pores on the body, through which the water containing food and oxygen enters their body cavity. There is a large single pore present on the top of the body, from which the waste containing water is passed out from the body. They are found attached to the ocean floor and cannot move. They lack tissue organization and a true body cavity. Body cavity means any space in the animal's body. Example of porifera are sponges, cycon, spongilla, etc. Next phylum is Cnidaria, also called Coelenterata. They are also aquatic animals, mostly marine. Most of them have soft and translucent body. Their body is hollow and tube-like with only one opening called mouth. They exist in 2 forms, either attached to the ocean floor or free floating. The attached form has a vase-like shape, as the free living form has inverted bowl-like shape. They also have tentacles, that is a flexible, mobile, elongated organ, which aid in movement and catching prey. Some examples are hydra, sea anemone, jellyfish, etc. Next phylum is Platyhelminthes, also called flatworms. Platy means flat and helminth means worm. Platyhelminthes have a soft and flat body. They are mostly live as a parasite inside the human body or in animals. Some are free living, found in fresh water or in sea. They have hook or sucker on their head around the mouth, which help them to grip the body of the host. Examples are tapeworm, planaria, liver fluke, etc. Next phylum is Nematoda. Nematos means thread, helminths means worm. They have a long, thin and cylindrical, unsegmented body which tapers at both ends, thus called roundworms. They are also parasite and live inside the digestive tract of human being. They have 2 openings in their body, a mouth where the food is taken in and the anus from where the undigested food is thrown out. Examples are pinworm, hookworm, ascaris, etc. Next is Annelida. They are segmented worms. They have long cylindrical body that is divided into ring-like segments called annuli. They are bilaterally symmetrical, that is, it can be divided into 2 equal halves through a single plane. They are free-living worms that is found in soil and water. They have a mouth on the tip of the body and anus on the other end. They have bristle-like structure called chaetae, which help them in locomotion. Some examples are earthworm, leech, etc. Next phylum is Arthropoda. Arthron means a joint and podus means foot. Arthropoda make up the largest group of Animalia. They can be terrestrial or aquatic. Their body have hard outer covering or exoskeleton, which is made up of proteinaceous substance, that is chitin. Their body is divided into head, thorax and abdomen. It bears jointed legs in pairs of 3 to many for locomotion. Arthropoda also have antennae and compound eyes on their heads. Insects such as honeybees, scorpions are the examples. So the next phylum is Mollusca. Mollusca can be terrestrial, means can live on land, or aquatic. They have soft unsegmented body that can be divided into 3 parts. That is head, visceral mass and a muscular foot. Visceral means very deep inward. Mollusca have a hard shell that covering their body and they use their muscular foot for locomotion. Examples are snail, slug, octopus, squid, etc. Last phylum is Echinodermata. These are the marine organisms that live in the bottom of the sea and oceans. They have tough skinned body covered with spines. Their body usually has a central disc from which 5 or more arms radiate outwards, giving them star-like shape. The more interesting thing is their mouth is at the lower side and anus on the upper side. And these organisms move with the help of special organs called tube feet. Some examples are starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, etc. So here your invertebrate part is finished. On the next video, you will learn about vertebrates. So till then, your work is to learn all the characteristics of these invertebrates. Thank you.